In this example, we are given a sum or difference already expressed in the formula, and we need to try and work backwards to calculate the find the exact value of that measure. Because if we tried to evaluate the cosine of 20 or cosine of 25, we don't know these measures, so we can't really use the sum or difference formula for the cosine. So we have to ask ourselves, what function is this, first of all, and then is it a sum or a difference? So the cosine minus sine, this form comes from a cosine of a sum or a difference. So this is going to be equal to the cosine of something. And when it's minus, that's actually the sum for cosine. So it goes cosine of alpha, cosine of beta, minus sine alpha, sine beta, if we're talking about the sum of cosine. So this is going to be the cosine of 20 plus 25 degrees. So 20 degrees plus 25 degrees. Now take this sum and we get the cosine of 45 degrees. And this, fortunately, is a value that we know from the unit circle. So at 45 degrees, it has ordered pairs rad 2 over 2, comma rad 2 over 2. This is just the x-coordinate. So this whole thing is just equal to the square root of 2 over 2. Let's take a look at part B. So we're given this tangent of 5 pi over 12 minus tangent of pi over 12, all divided by 1 plus the tangent of 5 pi over 12 times the tangent of pi over 12. This is a sum or difference for the tangent function. So this is going to be the tangent of something. And with the difference in the numerator and sum in the denominator, this tells me that it's going to be a difference. It's the tangent of 5 pi over 12 minus pi over 12. So minus pi over 12. So if we take this difference, 5 pi over 12 minus pi over 12, that's just 4 pi over 12. So this is the tangent of 4 pi over 12. And we reduce this fraction, we get the tangent of pi over 3. So at pi over 3, there's the ordered pairs 1/2 and then rad 3 over 2. And to find the tangent, we take the y-coordinate divided by the x-coordinate. So it's the square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2. Change this into a multiplication problem. It's square root of 3 over 2 times the reciprocal of our denominator, 2 over 1. These cancel, and we're left with the square root of 3. So this whole thing is really just another way to write the tangent of pi over 3. And we know that to be rad 3.